Welcome, Star versus Trend. Appreciate you tuning in, clicking in, however you got here. We appreciate it. Much love. Thank you. Listen, you know the deal by now, but anyway, before we get into it, let's just subscribe, like, comment. Actually, we really like the comments and the feedback we're getting so far. It's nice to see the engagement. So guys, keep them flowing. But listen, today. So today, I know you guys are like, dude, you're always excited, but I really am, right? You know when you've been waiting a while for something to just drop on your lap, and then when you get it, you're just over the friggin' moon. And this is one of those moments. Today is a good day. Today's a good day for all sneaker lovers, especially for me. Yes, bruv. On it today. We are on it today. What are these? These are the Toro Bravos. Yes. Oh man. So listen, let's just get right into it. So here you are. So we open them up. Do you know, so you open them up, right? So you open them up and straight away you just get taken by the redness of these shoes, and they are just on point, honestly. So here we are, the Toro Bravos. Actually, before we even go into it, who knows what they mean, what the Toro Bravo means? What do they mean? Because obviously on the sneakers app, if any of you's tried to copy these, Nike are doing this thing. What does the Toro mean? What does it mean? What does the redness signify? I have no idea, but I'm sure some of you sneakerheads will know out there. Pop it in the chat and see what's going on. But hey, look at these. I'm absolutely... Do you know? Listen, you don't know, man. I'm so gassed to have these. Like, I'm not even gonna start tripping. Look, I really wanted these, and I'm just so happy to get them. I had everyone's phone on the app, just making sure I cop these. I'm so happy, man. I got so excited. I even bought one for my little daughter. It's like madness, yo. So here we go. Ooh. You can't even see it, can you? So here we are. I mean, like, see, this is just, I don't know if you can even see this, but look at that for the laces. It's got this, see, you've got Jordans on them. Like, oh man, we have to do a close up of these to show you. Look, see, we've got the Jordans on them. The Jordans on them are just absolutely lovely. These little details. So first thing, obviously, when you get these out of the box, it is the redness of it, and then you then notice actually it's like a suede material. You're just like, what is going on? And then you've got the tongue, which is obviously reflective, and it's honestly, I just love them. I just absolutely love these. Obviously, you've got an ankle support here, lovely cushion. I can understand why there was so much hype about these, because these are just lovely. When you have them in your hand, you're like, yeah, I actually got them. So then you're looking at them, and then you're going around and you're so excited to have them. And then you just start to notice little things like the glue's gone over the stitching. You know, there's marks underneath the sole, and you're just like, dude, did I buy these from Nike or did I buy this from eBay? You know, one of them. But anyway, just going on. So you see here, we've obviously got the 23, which is just banging. And we've got the little, I don't know, it's like a fire. Yeah, it looks like a fire. So a fire running up alongside the shoe there. And then if you, obviously, or it's just all suede. It's all suede. You've got the number 23, the Jordans. You then got the reflective tongue, which just seems so thick. And if you didn't know, there's then the Air Jordans. You know what I mean? There's like the Air Jordans there. What craziness is that? And then in between, just underneath, you've also got the man himself just spreading out. I mean, these are just brilliant. These are just brilliant. My only worry is, right, it'll be one of them shoes for me. I've just wanted them for so long, be going about it so long. I don't even know how I'm even gonna bust it. Like, I know, man, I'm gonna bust these on some, you know, some shorts, you know, with some socks on there, just trying to pretend like I'm gonna go play basketball, or am I just gonna put them up and not even wear them? Do you know what I mean? Because it will be one of them where you get it, and then some punk will just trot on them and go, no, but listen, I what can I say? What can I say? They're absolutely lovely. The cushions on them is really, really tight. So yeah, so bringing it. So obviously they just got a nice suede silhouette here with the black rubber running underneath, and you've got the little white and then the clear with the Jordan print on the undersole. And again, just in case you didn't know, these are Jordans. They've got Jordans there. And then just in case you didn't know, they've got the 23s there. And if you didn't know that, they've got the man himself at the back head. If you didn't know that, they've got him on the tongue. And if you didn't know that, they've got him on this side. And if you didn't know that, they've got him on the underside. So it's just Jordans everywhere. These are absolutely lovely. So I don't know, man. So these for me are just iconic. You know what I mean? I'm so happy I got them. I understand the hype about these because obviously Michael Jordan, everyone knows him from when he was at Chicago Bulls with his 23 shirt, and it's just the bright red of Chicago Bulls. So I don't care what anyone tells me. I'm saying it's the red because of Chicago Bulls. There was a thing that Nike could do trying to say, is it because his first car was red? I don't know. Don't believe that. But I do believe it's just to represent the ball of Chicago Bulls and obviously the red of their home kit. I'm just gassed, you know, I'm just absolutely gassed to just have these. That's it, straight up. What? That's it. I'm just happy. Woo! And now I'm going to try the foot on. Here we go. Hell, guys, how you feeling about them? Did I sell it to you? Is it something that you're going to try and cop on the resale market? Because they're definitely worth having. They really are. They're so comfortable on your feet, and the support around the ankles is just on point. I can't really fault the trainers, you know, and the suede as well is sort of the leather, which I think makes it another uniqueness about the whole shoe. And that's why if you can cop them, don't even dare try and sell them. Honestly, these are one of them that you just want to keep them pristine. Make sure you get some train protection on them, because you just want to wear these over and over and over again. In a couple of years, you know, when nobody else has got them, nobody else to sport on them, you just rock them, and they're just always going to be one of those timeless shoes. That's my opinion, and you know how we do it here. We're just talking about our own opinions and how we're feeling it. So for me, I liked it. What did you think? Do you like it? Leave comments in the bottom and let us know how you're feeling.